Today we're gonna do explore. Let's go. This is gonna be so much fun. We're gonna find some cockroach. I found a baby little striped snail. Look! Let's put it safe. We found 2 lizards, but let's see if we catch them, so we're going to go slow. Catch this one. Do you see them? Do you see them? How fast they run? They run really fast. I almost catch the lizard, and I found the lizard, but it ran away, so let's keep exploring. I see another snail, but it's big, not striped like the baby one. Look, the snail's inside, but if the snail comes out of his home, it's gonna turn into a slug. Let's put it back where it was. Let's keep exploring. We found one of these. There's 4. Look, there's 1, 2, and there's another. This one is walking, and it's alive. I found a cool thing, and I really found it. It's so cool. You must see it right now. It's so awesome, right? Mommy found a ladybug there in the plants. It's right there. Put it in my finger, Mama. Look, the ladybug is in my hand. The ladybug is it's color red, and it has some black spots on it. Bye bye, ladybug. We found a big lizard there. That was the biggest lizard we found today in the pond. Found another snail. You found 2 snails, maybe. Okay, you found 1 snail. We found the biggest snail. It's right here. Can I take it out? Let's put it in on another tree. Flowers like that one. We found a birdie under a tree with no leaves. Here it is.
No way.
Where? Let's go find some more stuff. Ooh. Pokey. Let me see that birdie was right here, but it's still you follow me. I can find something here, maybe. Let's go. This one. There's so many cool stuff. There's so many cool animals here. And pretty. I see something in there. That's one stuck in. Beautiful purple flowers. So purple. It looks so pretty. Let's go get the flowers with the scissors. The bee is getting the honey from the flower. Oh, we got exploring so much that now I got hungry. The doggy hunt a bunny. Can you see it? And it is a real little bunny. That was our video for exploring. Thank you for watching.
Be brave. Stay wild. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.